All right, guys, 2022 Dodge Durango Hemi 5.7. What we got done on this beast? Factory converter. Then we took the mid muffler off and put two Flow FXs, part number 71416. Right there, look at them beauties. Beautiful. Right there, there'll be a link in the description for it. Then we also added an X pipe to equalize back pressure and exhaust scavenge. Right there. Then it continues 2 1/4 out the back. We took the two resonators off there and there. As you guys can see right there, our signature 5-inch blacks came out really nice, really clean. Look at them, beautiful. It just completes the look of this vehicle. It's really nice. And we appreciate his service. He is a veteran, so always thank a veteran, thank him for his service. We really do appreciate it. There's the two resonators and there's the mid muffler that was on it. We cut all that off. Reduced it by about 50, 75 pounds of weight and gained about 15, 20 horsepower. Look at that thing, it's beautiful. And like always, guys, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So now you know. 2022 Dodge Durango Hemi RT. Sound decibels right at 101. Again, I hear that lion roaring, baby. Sounds like a lion roaring, you know. That Hemi always sounds good. Sounds so good. With the X pipe, it just deepens it so much. Yeah, it's so nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. It's 2022 Durango RT, Flow FX mids, X5. That sounds so good. Wow, I can still hear it. It sounds so nice.